Did you know that Copilot can help you bridge those language gaps effortlessly, ensuring that your messages are clear and understood by everyone? This is a great feature for making sure that communications are accessible and inclusive for all. Now, let's have a look how we can translate a typical email into French and even draft that response back into French. So I've got my email open here and I've clicked on the Copilot button up there by my profile picture. And I've just popped in my prompts of please translate this email into French and draft a response in French. So it's going to have a look at that email for me, quickly comes back and gives me the translation of what that looks like in French. And it also is giving me a response. Now that's great, but I don't actually speak French, so I need to know what that response says. So I'm just going to put in another prompt and ask it to translate that reply back to me in English, just so I can double check what it's actually saying. Now I could have put all of that into the single prompt. So let's see what it's going to come back with. Okay, so here is the draft reply translated into English. So a really quick, simple way of translating your emails and making sure that communication is inclusive for everybody. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, don't forget to check out our next tip. Until next time.
Cafe. Join you for a 10-minute stay. Learn new tips every day with demos that light the way.